Hey guys, welcome to my home machine shop. My name's Howard. This is part 3 of the Van Norman paint. Got it all painted. Now we're putting the tags, the badges back on the machine. And I decided to go with these little 632 screws instead of the drive pins that was used originally. Reason being is I broke a couple of the drive pins and I had to move the tags, so I just decided to use 632 screws. More available, easier for me to get my hands on. So what I'm having to do, what I had to do was move each tag over just a little bit and re-drill the holes and then tap them. And what I'm having to do is I can only drill so deep, about a 1/4 inch deep, and because there's some parts of this machine that you wouldn't want to go deeper. You'd be through the casting or through the plates, whatever you're drilling. Some of it doesn't matter, like this door didn't matter. There's nothing behind it that can leak. That's an electrical door, but you can see I got some of the tags back on, and they look pretty good. They're readable now. And also the reason I decided to use screws is later on I might, if I can find somebody to make these tags, I'm going to get them made. But this is just an update. The paint came out fairly good. I just used oil-based enamel, and then I went back and lettered it in black, just into a couple places. This side, and then the other side there's a badge. And let me show you that. There's a Van Norman badge right there on the belt cover. And the tags come out pretty decent. Not too bad for my first attempt. That tag for the gears, the spindle RPM was pretty well beat up, and it was pretty difficult to get it. It wasn't very readable when I started. Now it is. And that's what I wanted to achieve. But the paint looks pretty good. The machine is nice and clean now. And so anyway, that's where that's at. And pretty quick here, I'm going to be having an electrician come out and put 220 into my garage so that I can hook them up and operate them. So, thanks for subscribing. Any comments, good or bad, is welcomed. Rather have the good ones, but criticism is okay too. It's okay. I can take it. Let me have it. I think it came out pretty decent. And I've been fixing things as I go along. Make sure everything, I mean the machine works, but I'm shining stuff up. The parts that get beat off from use, I didn't bother painting. You know, it's not necessary. Like the top of the spindle, bottom of the spindle. It's usually where it gets beat up the most. I got the bar working, goes in and out. The support bar. Comes out pretty easily now. That's for, to do horizontal milling. I actually think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this machine. It's a little bit bigger probably than a home shop needs, but what the hey, I got it for a good price. Well, anyway guys, just thought I'd let you know what I'm up to, and like I said, thanks for the subscriptions and the comments, and okay, I'll see you again sometime. Thanks.